Today, I'm going to quickly walk you through the integrated email functionality within PCMS's side pane. This is designed to streamline your workflow by keeping communication right where your work is. From the familiar Matter screen, simply click on the email button. One of the key benefits is how easily you can add recipients. Instead of jumping to another application, we can directly access contacts with them from within PCMS. I can select the recipients of the email by ticking or unticking the contact. I can then click the Compose Email button. As the email pane opens, the To field is populated, as is the subject line. You'll also notice your pre-configured user signature automatically appended at the bottom, maintaining professionalism and consistency within every email that you send. I'm able to type into the To and CC buttons. But now let's say I accidentally type an invalid email address. You'll see instant validation highlighting the error, ensuring your emails reach the right people. Attaching files is incredibly simple, supporting both historical documents and files directly from your desktop. Let's start with the document history. From document history, you can simply drag and drop files. Notice how I can select multiple files and drag them into the attached section, saving valuable time. And as for files on your local computer, it's just as easy. Simply drag them into the email. Sometimes you're not ready to send immediately. Our draft functionality is seamless. With a single click, your email is saved to the draft, accessible whenever you're ready in your Outlook application. Finally, when you're ready, sending is just as straightforward. Let's create some correspondence. I'm going to select a letter template and select email. I'm going to produce a new email. I'll follow the exact same steps as I would as if I were producing written correspondence. So I follow the questions through, and my correspondence is created in the email, ready for me to send. And there you have it. Your email is sent, all without ever leaving the application. The integrated email functionality allows you to communicate efficiently and effectively right within your workspace. Thank you.